Tired of your phone dying midday? Meet the Anker PowerCore 20,000 mAh, the ultimate portable charger that can power your iPhone over 6 times. This isn't just any power bank. With a massive 20,000 mAh capacity, it's perfect for extended trips, camping, or just busy days where you can't find an outlet. Imagine charging your phone, tablet, and even a friend's device without a second thought. That's the freedom this Anker portable charger offers. What truly sets it apart is Anker's exclusive PowerIQ technology, intelligently identifying your device to deliver the fastest possible charge. No more slow charging guessing games. The PowerIQ ensures your gadgets get exactly what they need, quickly and safely. And speaking of devices, its dual USB ports mean you can charge 2 gadgets simultaneously, making it incredibly convenient for multiple devices or sharing with a friend. It's built with premium materials for durability and designed to be compact enough to slip into any bag, making it an essential gadget for anyone on the go. If you're looking for the best portable power bank for travel or daily use, this is a top contender you absolutely need to consider. Ready to upgrade your charging game? Find the Anker PowerCore 20,000 mAh on Amazon by clicking the link in the description below. Trust me, for reliable, super fast, and long-lasting power, the Anker PowerCore 20,000 mAh is an investment you won't regret.